Hi everyone, welcome to Waves Connect. I am your host Nidhi Amonkar, and today with us we have Nehal Chari, who is the video director of the music video Jai Brahmaneshwar.
Hello.
So, hi.
Sir.
Could you please tell us a little about your music video?
Okay. Jai Brahmaneshwara is basically Ghumat Aarti. Ghumat is a folk instrument of Goa, and these few years, the Ghumat Aarti groups have evolved. They are creating wonderful musical tracks using the Ghumat and progressing towards new concepts. And Jai Brahmaneshwara is one of those concepts, which luckily I got an opportunity to direct and to showcase uh, what the god and the region has to show to the people all around the world. So basically, Goa is known for the party culture and a lot of other things, but I am not a huge fan of. I do parties, but I'm not the huge fan of Goa being portrayed in a very stereotypical way. There are a lot of things a filmmaker can explore in Goa. The folklore of Goa is very strong. You can make a lot of films. No one has made a film uh, that showcases the independence, freedom of Goa. That is a very good topic. Jai Brahmaneshwara is a god that is placed in a small village near Shirgaon, that is Poirang, and they have this deity. It dates around like 700 to 500 years. That was way before when Portuguese ruled Goa, and they had a brief history where there was a plague in the town, and the only option they had that time was to pray to God, and the prayers did come through, and they had this belief that it's just a simple rock there, okay? But people believe that the folklore itself is five rishis came there a long time ago, say 500 years ago, and they they like sat there, and they were so intensely meditating there that they vanished there, and that's the day the magic the what do you call it, the magic started, miracles started happening there, and that is how the legacy carried on for a very long time. There was no built-in structure. It has a very Poira being close to Sirgaon, that is where mining happens, and there are instances when the mining industries tried to erupt that stone itself, and there was a snake that appeared every time they did so. This is a narrative that was told by one of the elderly in the town to me, who is a very keen worshipper of Brahmaneshwar, and he has that connect with the god, and he at times he told me that he could question God, and God would answer him in a certain way, maybe Bharasu, Kirasu. So ekda. One instinct he said that one day he was alone at the temple, and where he saw the god itself, the Nag. Basically, Brahman Dev is a protector who is basically a cobra. One day he saw him, he like sort of had a conversation, one-on-one conversation, where he like, why are you sitting here? And he clicked a photo, please go, we are not troubling you and you should not trouble us. Or maybe someone might come and get scared of you. Next day the photo did not have him, he disappeared from the photo, and that is what they believe. So I had a talk with him, a very brief talk, and I had to put this narrative because you have to structure a music video. It's just not music video and a film is very different, because you have a certain time limit for a music video, maybe a 4 to 5 minutes, and you have to place the important parts of the story. So I have to structure the past incident, how it was established, and then what can I do more to it? How can I bring the miracle alive? So the best thing today, right now, is I feel is AI is very helping me in doing so, because you can imagine God, but you can't. How can you show it to the people? Either you paint or you do a AI video. That is what I choose, AI videos, and I had created this Brahman, the Nag itself, and you can see it in the music video.
Using what tools did you create it?
We have a lot of tools. Basically, I just started doing AI videos. I use Gemini, create images, then there's ChatGPT. ChatGPT having the limitation, I switched to Gemini, and then there was this Google Veo, Google Flow. So I use Flow, but Flow only gives you 100,000 credits, then you have to buy it. So I had to tackle to that, and that's how I created.
And now, since this was research based, was the research part difficult?
Certainly. एकदा असे आता की you don't have anything documented. Last year there was one music video, Damodara Deva, which was a story of 125 years, and I had nothing to research about because there was nothing documented. आणि असली गजाली जेन्ना असले folk tales असता पळय, it is very verbal. It is एका मनशान दुसऱ्याक सांगलेली. डिफरंट पर्स्पेक्टिव्स आसता, डिफरंट नरेटिव्स आसता. रिसर्च करपाक म्हणजे हें कशें आसलें पयलीं. दे लकीली हॅड वन स्टोन वीच वॉज, आतां तें कन्स्ट्रक्शन जालां थंय, देर इज अ होल टेम्पल अरावंड द रॉक, बट दे हॅड वन, आय आस्क देम फॉर लायक सर्टन लोकेशन वेर 1000 मे बी 500 वर्सां पयलीं कशें आसतलें जेन्ना तो रोग जाल्लो. सो दे गिव मी वन स्टोन वी शोड नियर दॅट एरिया. सो इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज तो रिसर्च मटेरियल तुका मेळत ना, कित्याक लोकांनी ते डॉक्युमेंटूच करूंक ना. आनी मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली फिल्माचें कशें आहा की आय फील की फिल्म इज समथींग, इज अ मिडियम वेर यू कॅन डॉक्युमेंट अँड रिक्रिएट थिंग्स. दॅट इज वॉट द ब्युटी ऑफ सिनेमा इज.
Now, for this research timer, you met one guy, right?
Yeah.
जेणे तुका सगळें सांगलें.
हय.
So that was during the shoot or?
दीस वॉज प्री प्रोडक्शन. कित्याक हांव एवरी टायम जेन्ना म्युजीक विडियो करता, फिल्म करता, प्री प्रोडक्शन इज अ व्हेरी ह्यूज टॉपीक. यू शूड टेक इट सिरियसली. स्क्रिप्टींग स्क्रिप्टींग जाता और मे बी रिसर्च बेस कितें आसता तेन्ना प्री प्रोडक्शन करपाक जाय. दॅट इज द मस्ट. यू हॅव टू डू इट बिकॉज ऑन द शूट डे कितें करूं, what should I do, what should be the next step, that should not matter to you. Once you do the pre-production, you have everything on paper, you have the first cut in your mind. That is what I do. Once I sit down with the client, I have my time alone at home. I sit with the music, I plan out, I think about different perspectives, what would be good, and I have a basic 3-act structure in my music videos. Every music video I follow that, and that's the thing.
And the cast of your music video, was that difficult?
Cast
or?
basically, if you see Jai Brahmaneshwara, the Ghumat Aarti group is a female group.
Okay.
I have more than 50 music videos right now in Goa, which I have been a part and I have directed, and most of them are Ghumat Aartis. Okay, and this one group was of females. So sometimes it is like तेंकां आपले फेस दाखोवपाक जाय अशें आसता. Sometimes there was casting done, but unfortunately we could not cast someone. So the team had to take a decision कि हाँ, we are on the schedule and we have to cast someone and we have to go with the flow.
Okay.